This watermelon is so hot it's in flames! Oh, hello, watermelon! The guys are inviting Christy to play watermelon bowling. Color little Coca-Cola bottles with green and red acrylic paint. Add watermelon seeds with black paint. Create the signature stripes on the rind with a light green shade. Make a few watermelon bottles. Let's start our watermelon bowling championship. Place the watermelon pins. And a watermelon will be used instead of a bowling ball. Yay! Christy's result is very nice. Ben's is also good. But someone is a Butterfingers. Our watermelon is cracked. The game is over. Movie time! I'll spend it with my favorite watermelon popcorn. Cut the top off of a big watermelon. Take out the flesh. Cook popcorn in a microwave. Add red food coloring to it. And put it into the watermelon cup. It's so crunchy! Oh my goodness! A watermelon ghost scares Christy! I know who's hiding there! Take that, Ben! Ben loves this watermelon popcorn, but he can find a cool way to use a watermelon too! Mark a spot for a tap on a watermelon. Cut out a hole and stick in a snap tap. Trace a Coca-Cola cap on top and cut out a hole. Mark 3 holes for bottles in a row. Make a round hole in the middle using a big baking mold. Take out the cap. Process the pulp inside the watermelon with a blender. Cover the strained juice with the cap. Put in bottles of Coca-Cola. This is more than just a watermelon, it's a watermelon cocktail with Coca-Cola. Let's load the machine. And drink straight from the tap. It's refreshing. Coca-Cola, popcorn, and watermelon are a perfect combo. We can't play Tic Tac Toe on paper anymore. Or on a blackboard. But we haven't tried playing with watermelon yet. Ben comes up with a watermelon edition of Tic Tac Toe. Cut off a round slice of watermelon without seeds. Cut a black licorice candy into strips. Shape a game field with cells on the watermelon. Cut the pulp off of watermelon rind. Use a round mold to cut out game pieces. Place them onto the game field with a light or dark side up. The rules are the same in Tic Tac Toe, except that we have a tasty watermelon as a game field. Ben wins! He's used to putting everything into his mouth. Ew! Spit it out! We keep on playing. Guys, I have a task for you. Cut a watermelon so it looks nice. The challenge starts. It requires a ton of imagination. Ben uses a classic way. He makes triangles. He is the king of geometry. What do you think? Do you like it? Huh, I can cut this watermelon way better. Get ready to admire it. Use a mold to cut round pieces out of a watermelon. Slightly take the pieces out so they protrude. This is a hedgehog-styled cutting. How interesting! It was simple and quick. Ben, I have a surprise for you. Another watermelon? How creative!
Oh.
Well, let's take a big knife. A direct hit and the watermelon is cut. But what is this thing inside? This is a jelly melon. Cut the top off of a watermelon. Remove the pulp. Cover berry jelly powder with some water. Add sugar and let it soak. Heat it up in a microwave and add more hot water. Pour the jelly into the watermelon cup and refrigerate it so it hardens. It tastes like berries. Ben can't resist it. Yummy! We have a prank for our best friend. Watermelon noodle is the most stylish dish of the season. I bet you haven't tasted anything like this before. Cut the top off a watermelon and scoop out the flesh. Put in instant noodles. And pour in boiling water. Cover it with the top and let it cook. Decorate the ready noodle with sprigs of fresh herbs and a little tomato. This is watermelon pasta. That's new! Well, it looks like our friend loves our dish very much. Awesome! What an appetite! Ben decides to amaze Christy with his cooking talent. Whoops! It's a fail! Hold on, this surprise is not complete yet. Here's the king of breakfast, fried eggs in a watermelon. Scoop the pulp out of a watermelon half. Separate yolks from whites. Whip the yolks with a whisk. Press a metallic ring mold into the watermelon rind. And pour in the egg whites into the watermelon outside the mold. Bake it for 15 minutes at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Take out the ring and pour the yolks into the center. Bake it for 15 minutes. Decorate the ready maxi fried eggs with fresh herbs and tomato. The presentation of this dish is so exotic. Let's taste it. Not bad. Ben is so clumsy. Sit down, you poor guy. I'll cook a real masterpiece now. Take the pulp out of a watermelon half. Mix seasoning, pepper, salt, turmeric, and dried herbs. Add sunflower oil. Mix it and season a chicken with the mixture. Place the chicken into the watermelon rind. Add some watermelon juice. Bake it until it's ready. Decorate the chicken with herbs and watermelon hearts. Don't touch my masterpiece!
Oh.
This is a gorgeous chicken baked in a watermelon. I came up with the recipe on my own when I accidentally dropped my chicken into a watermelon. While Christy was bragging, Ben finished it. He's such a foodie. Watermelon. And more? What is this? It's the most important watermelon challenge. Who can eat it faster? One more piece. Phew! I can't eat any more. What a softie! The next level is to eat watermelon with your eyes closed. No way! I won't survive it! Did you like our watermelon challenge? Comment below how you use watermelons this season. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell so that you don't miss new challenges from Troom.